Welcome. In this video we're going to make a pattern. My goal with this video is to make it as simple as possible and don't pressure ourselves because this is a draw with me session. No fast forwarding or time lapses, we're just going to draw together like in a very cozy vibe here. So grab your iPad and Procreate and let's start. So I usually use a 3000 by 3000 pixel canvas. First we're gonna set our canvas on a drawing guide. We added the drawing guide to symmetry. I'm gonna use dry ink and have this on maybe 8%. Pick your favorite color. And now my pencil's not working. Apple pencil 0%. Is this even possible? Are you serious? Let's make it a speed drawing. We'll give ourselves 7 minutes for this. Let's see if the pencil holds 7 minutes. And we'll see how far we come, right? So I'm gonna go through some basic settings for a pattern and we'll see. So, how many? 18%. Whoa, this thing charges fast. It's 18%, right. I have orange and dry ink. Let's just start. I just start with some, I don't know, flowy rounds, some nice, I don't know, it does remind me of some leaves maybe. Oh, flower leaves. I don't know where I'm going for, but I'd love it to be cozy, right? Maybe, I'm not so sure about that. Looks like a cloud. Maybe we can make a smiley cloud. It's not so cute, not as cute as I want it to be, but fine for now. Just fill in some of these leaves. And then maybe we'll have some bigger leaves here. Or maybe these are ears. I just start around with some curved lines and maybe fill this in as well. And I'm gonna go for some leaves here to keep it like more consistent. I'd love to add these kind of fillings like these lines all over the canvas. So is it canvas or canvas? I don't know. How far is our pencil? 18%, right. To make this a pattern, it needs to connect around the edges. So what we'll do for now is just to make sure it connects to all the sides of the canvas, because now we're gonna move the canvas now. So we'll make 2, and then because you draw like the corners, it will take the entire canvas and puts it in the middle. So what we're gonna do is drag the other to the right, and then, I'm sorry, I duplicated 4 times, so we can deselect them. We'll duplicate those 2 layers together and drag them up and down. So we can erase this middle part here, those were the corners, and in here we can make another cute creature maybe. I've never really made something like this, so it's really nice. It's a cute cloud with the eyes and a smile. Hello. To keep it consistent, as I said before, we're gonna have some leaves here with the same pattern. It looks a bit like bumblebees, like flying. And to have these little ones as well here, we're gonna draw these here. And maybe down here. I always duplicate the layer to make sure I have a layer I can come back to if I don't like anything. So now we're gonna duplicate this one 4 times. And to see how the pattern will turn out, we're gonna drag these to every corner. And if we even want, we can make it even smaller. But this is how the pattern looks right now. As you can see, there is some parts here, or maybe here, that are like not filled in yet. So if we go back to our first layer, then we know where we have to fill in. To make it easier to draw there, we're gonna duplicate again. Drag this one to the top and the other one down. So now we created the open space in the middle under the little cloud here. I don't know what we're gonna make here, we don't have much time, so I'm just keeping it simple and we're just drawing leaves. I call it leaves because, I don't know, it seems like leaves to me, to have an extra line as well. So fill this in again with the same type of texture. I can see like here a small gap, so we can have another layer here as well. 10%. I feel pressure now, but that's fine because it forces me to create something. So let's duplicate this layer. We only need 2 layers because we're going to drag to the left and to the right. Let's see where there's like empty spaces here. I can see like above and under the big cloud here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate again and create that space like this. So we see here in the middle is like another gap. Let's make quickly some leaves here to fill those empty space here. Alright. So let's see how it looks if I'm gonna duplicate again the layer to go back to. We're gonna duplicate this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Drag them to the corners. And we have a cute little pattern here. It's really nice. How much time we have? The pencil holds really nice. It's 9%. Now we know. If you want to know how this looks even smaller, then we can group these layers together, duplicate one, and then make it 4 times again. Drag them to the corners. Oh. And here we have the pattern, but then smaller. Nice! It's really cute. I think I love to work this one out because it's really cute. Making a pattern and having the symmetry setting on makes it very easy to make a very eye-pleasing image, I find. So I love this way of sketching, and now we can decide whether we are going to spend more time on this one to further make it a nice piece of art. So I'll thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.